So here we are, driving crap at the Wheels of Time Street Rod Show. There it is, the bubble on the show field. So, woohoo! Oh, there's my buddy's Jeep, or what is it, Kaiser M715. So, Cummins diesel in it, 6-speed. I remember when this was in pieces in his garage. This thing was just sweet. So we're gonna walk over. Nice Nova. I like the color. A lot of metal flake to it. Nice small block. Ratty 4-door 57. Sweet. This one here, Chrysler, has a small Hemi in it. This one's been around for a few years. Really kind of wanted to buy that one. T-bucket. Ooh, and what do we have here? The bubble! Look at that bunch of sweet hotness. Well, good morning. So today we are planning to go up to Gina's and get our cafe racer running and riding. Don't think it's going to exactly be street legal, but we're going to at least try. I mean, not to get it street legal today because I don't have an inspection license. We can at least get it to the point where we can try it out in our driveway and see if it'll, run, shift through the gears, not die. I just need to quick grab some tools that I have in the garage, and then we will head that way. Stay tuned. When I talk about the view, that's what I mean. Just beautiful. We're going to park here in the driveway and get to work. Well, here we are again with Gina's Cafe Racer. It is a 1976 Honda CB500T. And we're going to get a battery in it, see if we can get it running and rolling. We'll see what kind of trouble we can get into. It could happen. Nova, pretty puppy, how you doing? Nova really likes me. You know why? Because yesterday I gave her some toast and a piece of my sausage with sausage gravy on it. She's a very happy puppy. So we got the new battery and has the acid in it. So this is the type of thing that anybody can do. You just want to remember, keep the positive to the positive and the negative to the negative. And if you switch them, bad things happen. So red to red, black to black. So what have we learned? I will tell you what we learned. We should have taken these off before we put the battery in. Idiot! But you know what? Things are going smoothly does not make for entertaining videos. Here we are. We have the battery in. Alright, now we got to pull the air boxes off again. We need to put some cleaner in there, and then we have Happy Spray, the wrench that I need to take the outside of the airbox off. I left over on the other side of the bike. I like whoever had this off, put them left and right. So that's easy. So we are going to turn the fuel on. Okay, we have her alive, getting our Air filter's back in. Throw on our covers. I mean, it idles fantastic. Well, she's a runner and a rider, but still needs a whole bunch of clutch adjustment just to get it cleaned out. And I really think we need some gasoline in here because I think it's empty. It's pretty well down there, so we probably could use some gas in it. Of course, I drove the bubble up here today, so I did not bring my gas can along. So we'll see if she has some and maybe screw around with the clutch adjustment some more, and we'll see what we'll see. There we go. Got it running and got it to ride under its own power. So again, this is Gina's Cafe Racer, and we'll play with it a little more and see what's what. You got Gina's bike. It's running. You can throw a leg over it, but definitely needs a clutch adjustment, and to be run quite a bit. I mean, it sat for a while, and that's never good for anything mechanical. I mean, fingers crossed. Hopefully it ends up getting what it needs. She's gonna talk to another friend of hers that is a little more knowledgeable. If he can't do it, then we're gonna try and talk to a local shop, see what they know. So there's a lot I can do, and there is a lot that I can't. It is a beautiful day to go out for a ride in the backwoods of Pennsylvania. Today, before I came up here, checked the oil in the bubble, and not only did I check the oil in the bubble, but check the water. It is just dandy. So if I really put my foot into it, wind it up to its 6,000 RPM red line, because no VTEC, yo, no VTEC. If I do that, it likes to burn a little bit of oil. Not a tremendous amount, but you notice on the stick. I think now we are going to go home. Well, today we took the bubble on a pleasant little drive through the country. Got Gina's bike running, sort of riding. Baby steps, baby steps. She'll get there. The majority of stuff, it's just the little fiddly bits now. The majority of things is done. We're almost home. I think we're going to take a nap. So anyway, this concludes today's Fun and Excitement. Catch you next time. Bye!